Hello everyone. Today we will move to the next chapter, chapter number 8, a treat for mosquitoes. A treat for mosquitoes. Let's start our chapter with a conversation. Our first topic is blood test. Blood test. Children, I will read the conversation. You just listen. After that, you try to find what's the content in it. Okay. Rajat is back at school today. He had been absent for many days. How are you now? Ardi asked. I'm alright, Rajat replied. Next, Jaskar. You must have played a lot while you were at home. Rajat replied. Who want to play when you have fever? On top of it, I had to take a bitter medicine. I even had a blood test. Jaskar said, a blood test? Why? It must have been very painful. Rajat replied, actually, when they nearly picked my finger, it felt like an ant bite. They took 2 or 3 drops of blood and sent it for testing. That's how we come to know that I had malaria. Nancy said, but you get malaria when a mosquito bites you? Rajat replied, yes, but we find out by the blood test. Jaskar said, there are a lot of mosquitoes in my house these days, but I did not get malaria. Nancy said, who says that every mosquito bite causes malaria? Malaria spreads only by the disease carrying mosquitoes. Aarti, all mosquitoes look the same to me. Rajat replied, there must be some difference. Then Nancy had a doubt. She asked to Rajat, did they take the blood from the place where the mosquito had bitten you? Rajat replied, of course not. How do I know when and where the mosquito bit me? Nancy said, but how could they find out that you had malaria by your blood test? Do you think they could see something in the blood? On page number 68, you can see 2 pictures. One is taking the blood on the glass slide, and second one, she's a doctor. She's looking at the blood slide under the microscope. This microscope makes things look 1,000 times bigger. The details inside the blood can be seen clearly. There are some microscopes which make things look even more bigger than this one. Children, let's discuss something together. Listen. First one. Do you know anyone who has had malaria? I know. Malaria had once attacked my friend. Next one. How did they find out that they had malaria? How did they find out that they had malaria? By undergoing blood test. Through the blood test, they can understand they had malaria or not. Okay. Next one. What problems did they have on having malaria? If someone has malaria, they have some problems. What are they? Mainly high fever and become too weak. Do you know what other diseases can be caused by mosquito bites? What are they? By the mosquito bites, we also get other diseases like chikungunya, yellow fever, dengue fever, etc. Next one. In which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? What is the reason behind this? Of course, during rainy season, malaria more common. What is the reason? Because it's their breeding time for mosquitoes. Rainy season is the breeding time for mosquitoes. Look at the report of the blood test given here. Which words in the report help us to know that the person has malaria? Look at the report. In the report, it clearly indicates that malarial parasite found in blood sample. Malarial parasite found in blood sample. That helps us to know that the person has malaria. Next, medicine for malaria. From early times, the dried and powdered bark of the Cinchona tree was used to make a medicine for malaria. Earlier, people used to boil the bark powder and strain the water which was given to patients. Now tablets are made from this. See, their conversation still going on. Adi said, I also had to get a blood test done. But they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. Rajat asked, what's that? Adi said, the doctor said that there is less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. The doctor gave some medicine to give me strength. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla and more green leafy vegetables because these have iron. Next, we are deeply discussing about anemia. Listen carefully. A condition in which the blood doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells. A condition in which the blood does not have enough healthy red blood cells. Anemia results from a lack of red blood cells or dysfunctional red blood cells in the body. This leads to reduced oxygen flow to the body's organ. In our blood, there is white blood cells and red blood cells. Nancy asked, how can there be iron in our blood? Jaskrat said, there was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. That time, Rajat was laughing. He said, so then you ate iron or what? Adi said, silly, this is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know exactly what it was. After I ate a lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin went up. My dear children, I will explain. Is there be iron in our blood or not? Yes, there is iron in our blood. Listen, iron is a mineral in your body that comes from food. Iron is a mineral in your body that comes from food. So, iron is also an important part of hemoglobin. You need iron to make red blood cells. A protein in your blood that helps to carry oxygen from your lungs to the rest of our body. So, my dear children, now I hope you could understand the condition anemia and the need of iron in our blood. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.